Micro-precision, how well do we know it? It is the precision that crafts 1,000 smiles with intricacy. It is the precision that powers productivity. It is the precision that helps engineer global advances. It is the precision that simplifies vital parts of our everyday life. It is the power of promise, with the finest craftsmanship. It is a reflection of the care and thought behind every detail, bringing happiness to every heart. That's us, the CTC Group, a business that powers precision for perfection in every aspect of your life and ours. CTC's customer applications span across key sectors, including industries such as automotive, aerospace, 3C, energy, watchmaking, fixture, die, and mold. Our tools and approaches help create quality products that enrich people's lives. With the state-of-the-art equipment and expert engineers, we are a precise and passionate stronghold that symbolizes standard. In the digital world, where creativity and productivity converge, our precision ensures that we bring ideas to life flawlessly. Across a spectrum of sectors, safety, excellence, and comfort are more than features. They are promises made possible by the finest craftsmanship. At CTC, we don't just create micro-precision tools. We shape experiences. We craft happiness and connections, because precision is our promise and perfection is our purpose.